Hi, I'm Leticia with Homes by EquiNest, broker by eXp Realty, helping busy professionals and business owners build wealth through real estate in Southern Maryland. If you are searching for a new single-family home in Waldorf, Maryland, this community should definitely be on your radar. Today, we are touring Brentwood, a new home community that is attracting buyers looking for space, convenience, and modern designs. One of the biggest advantages of Brentwood is the opportunity to own a new single-family home in one of Southern Maryland's fastest growing housing markets. As we walk through this home, pay attention to the spacious floor plan, large kitchen, open gathering spaces, owner suites, and the feature designed for today's lifestyle. Waldorf continues to be a popular destination for buyers relocating from Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia, and Prince George County because of its combination of affordability, convenience, and access to major commuter routes. When evaluating new construction communities, it is important to look beyond just the home itself. Consider future development plans, amenities, builder incentive, and overall long-term value. If you would like information about pricing, available homes, builder incentive, or other communities throughout Waldorf and Charles County, contact me directly. My contact info is in the description box. And if you are interested in new construction in Southern Maryland real estate, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and I'll see you on the next one.